It took phone calls and emails to get the state to look at dozens of families in St. Lucie County battling a deadly brain cancer.
Now, a federal lawmaker who represents their area is meeting with the families on what they have in common and how the government can help. Treasure Coast reporter Megan McRoberts is in Fort Pierce with what these families want him to know.
Well, tonight is just a chance for these families to keep moving up the chain, so to speak, speaking to anyone that they can about their stories. They want to make sure they leave no stone unturned in their quest for answers as to whether or not something is making them sick. We reached out to Brian Mast shortly after our first story aired weeks ago when we only knew about a dozen or so cases. His team decided they wanted to sit down with the support group. Since then, we've learned about nearly 50 cases have been diagnosed in the area in the last 5 years. Those numbers are expected by the health department, but families still want some kind of investigation or testing. Tonight, they want Brian Mast to know their concerns, and they want to see if this is an issue he could get behind. One of the families met Mast in D.C., where he did say he supports funding for medical research. And a representative will be here tonight as well from the St. Lucie County Health Department, as they are still working to stay on top of these local concerns. Reporting in Fort Pierce, I'm Megan McRoberts, WPTV News Channel 5.